How to earn money while you sleep. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money overnight while you were sleeping. It sounds like a dream, but for many people around the world, this is actually possible. The secret behind this idea is called passive income. Passive income means earning money without actively working for it every single hour. Instead of trading your time for money, you create systems or assets that continue to generate income even when you are resting, traveling, or spending time with your family. Let's explore some powerful ways people earn money while they sleep. The first method is investing in the stock market. When you buy shares of companies, you become a partial owner of that company. Many companies share their profits with investors through something called dividends. This means you can earn money regularly just by holding those shares. Over time, if the company grows, the value of your investment can also increase. Another popular method is creating digital content. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, or online courses allow creators to earn money long after the work is done. For example, if you upload a useful video today, people might continue watching it for months or even years. Every view can generate ad revenue. In this way, one piece of content can keep earning money again and again. A third way is affiliate marketing. This means recommending products or services and earning a commission whenever someone buys through your special link. Many bloggers and YouTubers use this strategy. Once your content is online, people can click your links at any time of the day, even when you are sleeping. Another powerful method is selling digital products. Digital products include ebooks, templates, stock photos, music, or online courses. The best thing about digital products is that you create them once and sell them unlimited times. There's no need to manufacture or ship anything. Once your product is online, customers can buy it anytime from anywhere in the world. Real estate can also generate passive income. Many investors buy properties and rent them out. The tenants pay rent every month, creating a steady stream of income. While this method requires more initial investment, it can become a powerful long-term wealth builder. However, it is important to understand that passive income does not mean no work. In the beginning, you must invest time, effort, and sometimes money to build these income sources. But once the system is set up, it can continue working for you automatically. Think of passive income like planting a tree. At first, you must plant the seed, water it, and take care of it. But after some time, the tree grows and starts producing fruit year after year. Many financially successful people focus on building multiple streams of passive income. Instead of relying on just one source of money, they create several income channels that work together. The key idea is simple. Make your money work for you instead of always working for money. So if you want to earn money while you sleep, start learning about investing, creating valuable content, building digital products, or other passive income opportunities. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results can become over time. Because the truth is, the most successful people in the world understand one simple rule. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.